Hey, I'm glad to announce that I will be joining with the Orange County chapter of SCORE as one of its speakers presenting a workshop titled Classifying Independent Contractor. And I got this idea in February of this year, and I contacted the chairperson of SCORE OC. And both of us, we talk about the workshop and the importance of independent contractors in light of the recent landmark case. And after the conversation, based on his recommendation, I submit my PowerPoint slides along with other logistical information, one sheet about a presentation. And also last week, I present a summary presentation to 68 advisors and business mentors. And it was very well received. So the first workshop, I'm kind of excited about it, and the first workshop is going to be May or June of this year. Now, for those who don't know, SCORE is a nationwide organization. Is also a resource partner for U.S. Business Administration, and for the last 50 years, SCORE has provided countless hours of mentorship, workshops, and educational resources to the business community. The volunteer mentors have mostly retired executives and other experts conducting the training in the area of starting a business, marketing, financing, accounting, import-export, human resources, and much, much more. They also have a CEO forum designed for more seasoned businesses, and I definitely recommend you to check out with the link below.